Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today, inshallah, we will discuss the 6th grade English for Palestinian students book. This is Mr. Abdullah Sharab. Let's go. Unit 10, Period 1, Part 2, and our title is A Visit to the Dead Sea. In the previous lesson, we discussed the first activity in this page, which is related to vocabulary. Now, inshallah, we will revise them together, and after that, we will listen and answer the questions in these pictures. We will listen and answer some questions about the pictures. Let's go. Listen and repeat, please. Listen and repeat.
Anywhere. Below sea level. Desert. Ever. Gazelle. Jerboa. Man. Mud. Oasis. Palm tree. Rock. Salty. Skin. Spring.
Excellent. Now try to pause the video, read them again, and then move to the next slide or turn on the video. When do we use these expressions? Really? Really? And yuck. Yuck. Try to think. Okay. We use really when we need something which is weird or not normal. So it's really. It's a new information about something. What about the next one? You can see the expressions in this face. Yuck. When we see or read something which is bad or disgusting, we see yuck. Okay? Very good. Don't forget these expressions. Now this is the first picture. We're gonna listen to this conversation between Rania and Amy, and we will answer some questions. We will get some vocabs, some synonyms and antonyms from the text. Listen, please.
Have you ever been to the Dead Sea? Yes, we went there 2 years ago. Have you ever floated in the sea? No, I haven't.
Amy and Rania are looking at the internet. They have found the Dead Sea. Rania visited the Dead Sea 2 years ago. The man in the picture is floating and reading a newspaper.
Very good. Now let's find one, a sea from the picture, a number, opposite of woman, past verb, a word that rhymes with pound. Pause the video, try to think, answer them orally, and then play the video again and check your answer. A sea, which is the Dead Sea. Excellent. Number 2, 2 years ago. Excellent. Woman, and the opposite of woman is man. Very good. Okay, can you find a past verb? I think we have more than one. Floated, visited, went. All these are past verbs. Excellent. Found, Good. And there is more than these one. Okay. Let's move to a word that rhymes with pound. It has the same rhyme, the same sound. What do you think? Pound. Found. Very good. Let's answer this question. What is the man doing? What do you think? What is he doing? The man in the picture is floating and reading a newspaper. Excellent. Very good. Let's move to the next picture. Listen.
Do you know that the Dead Sea is very salty? There are no fish or plants in this sea.
Some plants can grow between the rocks.
Really?
Amy, Rania and Ben are looking at pictures of the Dead Sea. The water is very salty. Palm trees grow in an oasis because water comes from a spring.
Okay. Let's find the opposite of sweet. Find an animal. Find a preposition. The opposite of all. And finally, a word that rhymes with man. Pause the video, try to answer them, then play the video and check your answer. You have 1 minute. Okay, the first one, the opposite of sweet is salty. Very good. Animal, fish. It's a sea animal. Okay, good. Preposition. Preposition, what do you think? Do you know what is a preposition? See the example. In. Very good. Between. Excellent. And also we have at. From. All these are prepositions. Okay, the opposite of all. Some. All. And the opposite is some. And the last one, a word that rhymes with man. It has the same last sound. What do you think? It's can. Man can. Excellent. Very good. Let's answer this question. Why do palm trees grow in an oasis? Why do palm trees grow in an oasis? So listen and read and answer. What do you think? When you face a question like this, starts with why, the first thing to do is to look for the word because 90% when the question starts with why, the answers will start with because palm trees grow in an oasis because water comes from a spring. Very good. Let's move to the third picture. Listen, pause, read, then find and answer.
Have you ever put Dead Sea mud on your body?
No, I haven't. Why would I do that? Yuck!
Ah, because it's a medicine and makes your skin feel great.
Amy and Rania are looking at photos of people with black mud on their bodies. The mud is a medicine for your skin.
Okay, pause, read again, and then find and answer. The opposite of awful. Find a color and find a word that rhymes with peel. Pause, then check your answers. 1. The opposite of awful is great. The color is black. And the word which rhymes with peel is feel. Excellent. Answer this question. Why do people put Dead Sea mud on their skin? As I said before, try to look for the word because when you face a question it starts with why. Because. Okay. Why would I do that? Because it's a medicine and makes your skin feel great. Very good. Because it's medicine, and if you answer with it makes your skin feel great is also correct. Let's move to the fourth picture. Listen, pause, read, and then find in the text and check your answer.
The Dead Sea is below sea level. Have you ever been anywhere below sea level? No, I haven't.
Have you ever seen a desert animal? Yes, I have. I've seen a jerboa and a gazelle.
Rania, Omar, Ben and Amy are talking about the Dead Sea. It is 400 meters below sea level. There are many desert animals near the Dead Sea.
Okay. Try to read the text and then find 1. Opposite of above. 2. Desert animals. Space and space. Number. Opposite of few. And a word that rhymes with see. Pause the video. Answer then check. Opposite of above is below. 2 desert animals, gazelle and jerboa. Number 400. Very good. Few. What is the opposite of few? Many. And the last one, a word that rhymes with see. See. And these two are different. Okay? But we pronounce them the same. See and see. Let's answer this question. What is the lowest place on Earth? What do you think? It's 400 meters below sea level and more than 400 meters. It's the Dead Sea. Now, write this question in your exercises book and make sure that you can answer all these 10 questions correctly. Get from the lesson these 10 and write them and check your answer with your teacher. Let's see 2 and 4. You can say 400. Positive woman is man. Past verb floated, visited, went, and lots of them. A word that rhymes with pound is found. The opposite of sweet is salty. Animal, we have fish, we have gazelle, we have jerboa. Preposition in, between, at, on, below. All these are prepositions. All, and the opposite is some. And the last thing, a word that rhymes with man is can. Thanks for attending. See you next time. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurab. Wish you the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.